The following message is transmitted with the request of the New Manhattan Police Department. Massive swarms of frogs have colonized several districts across the city, causing pestilence to many individuals and slaves. There are also reports of the Czech River and Julio River turning red. Massive hailstorms have also been notified by the Washington State Weather Control. Swarms of flies have been reported to have caused distraction to city residents, causing lice, disease of cattle, and inviting more locusts. The violent storm surge has turned the city into darkness, destroying power generators in the entire city limits. There have also been reports of mass shootings of firstborn individuals. The exact number of casualties caused by all the gunmen cannot be known at this time. Because of these violent events, authorities recommend all residents to stay indoors, if possible, turn off all heating and air conditioning systems. Have treatment and enough food and water supplies for sheltering for 2 to 3 weeks. Anyone not in New Manhattan, but are around the Puget Sound area hearing this message, should also take these necessary precautionary actions. Unruly behavior will not be tolerated. You will be executed on the spot.